Welcome guys, if you wanna set up the face recognition on your ALCATEL One X 2019, for the first we have to move to the settings, then we have to click on the security and location, tap on the face key, and as you can see here we have the notification that we can use the face key to unlock our device, so click on continue. There is the risk warning, you have to read it before the synchronize your face with the smartphone, but I'm gonna skip this way. So I'm gonna click on agree, and now we have to input our log method, and mine is just pattern, so I'm going to do this. And get ready to unlock your phone by using your face. For best results, we suggest that face key takes place indoors and away from direct sunlight. So just click on start. And it's done, so click on continue. Now click turn on, and right now we're now gonna lock our device and try to unlock. We have to, okay, we don't even have to swipe, because in some smartphones you have to make the swipe, right? And it just works. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.